doesn't like a winged eyeliner?
And generally, with hooded eyes and downturned eyes,
It's really tricky to get a really nice, neat wing. I've tried this little technique and I'm going to share it with you. So let's get into it.
I'm starting off with a concealer because I just want to even out the skin tone on my eyelids, and this concealer is waterproof and it's smoothing and illuminating, so it'll be a perfect base. And just a really light covering of foundation today, I'm using an Expert face brush. I just want to quickly colour correct my dark circles using this concealer sparingly. It's really hydrating, and this shade is CN74. I've chosen this 24-hour waterproof liner, which has a really fine brush, but it's also quite firm. Place the tiniest dot right on the outer corner of the eye as a guide. Start the eyeliner where you want the wing to end and bring it down. You want the liner to look like it's an extension of your lower lash line. Instead of creating one line, I find it much easier to dot backwards towards the top of my lash line. So it creates a sort of triangle. Try to look straight ahead in the mirror. I know I'm looking down, but I'm doing this demo, so it's hard to look straight ahead, but also be mindful not to stretch your skin, because when you let go, the wing will not be straight. And now I'm just going to fill in that triangle really carefully. It looks a bit messy at the moment, but bear with me, it will become neater. And if you don't have a steady hand, just simply rest your arm on your desk or dressing table just to steady your hand. It works a treat, and you'll get a nice clean line. And if you don't have a huge amount of lid space, keep this liner very thin from the inner corner outwards, because if you do a thick line, then basically you'll lose your lid space. Already I can see a difference. One with a wing makes my eye look more elongated and lifted. Going to line my upper lash line, or tight line as they call it, as it helps my lashes to look instantly fuller and darker and thicker. This mascara is really lovely. It just gives you a natural lash look, nothing heavy or dramatic. And if I find I've messed up and the line's a bit squiggly, all I use is
a concealer and a really fine tipped brush. And then just simply get a bit of concealer on your brush and just clean up. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye for now.